Hello everybody, welcome to a Joyful Clay Tutor. In this video I'm going to show you how to make 8 clay tools using a ballpoint pen. I got this video idea from this lady here that works with terracotta jewelry. Go check and support her channel. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is take your pin apart. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to work with this to get it off. Sometimes it's not easy to get it off. Every part of this pin is useful. So you have tool number 1, the tip of the pin. The tip of that pin. Tool number 3. This, and I'll show you how I use them. Tool number 3 is to push that in there like that, and in there like that, and you have 3 tools right there. Next, take a pair of scissors and cut down there. There's no ink in that, so that's tool number 4. Tool number 5 is a little bit more tricky. Tricky to get out of there, and it's tricky because it's got ink on it. It's going to have ink on it, and according to Neha, you can use acetone, but I just go like this. I just, take a piece of clay and just start stabbing it until it doesn't have ink in it anymore. Eventually it'll stop having ink. Well, if you're finding value in this video, will you please like and subscribe? Okay. Tool number 5. You take the tool, the tip end. Tip end goes down and goes into the clay. Tool number 6. You want to take this part and you want to break it. So we actually have 8 textures. That's 1, 2, 3. It becomes progressively smaller. Here's number 4. Here's number 5. It's really tiny. That's the tip of that pin. Number 6. It's flat. It's about the same size as the other one. Here we have a flat piece. I'm going to make a cross. Gives you a pin. Here we're going to make some cross hatches. Really tiny ones. If you work with miniatures, it's excellent for making texture. And here's just a circle with a couple lines. Well, thank you.